Vice President Constantine Chiwenga has made a bold political statement by landing in Gweru, the heart of President Emerson Mnangagwa's Midlands home province, to kickstart this year's Independence Day celebrations. Sana pina mashoko buda panapa atukona kuti ayo vipi Constantine Chiwenga wosvikira mu Midlands ayo vasina ma 2030 scarves mascarf anozikana kunza aiwa those vanouya ari ma allies emutungamiriri wenyika vaimazona mnangagwa avasiyani nawo noti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Team in the moment of Chiwenga, a former military general who helped Mnangagwa seize power in November 2017 coup, is this morning lighting the independence torch at Mutapa Hall, launching the countdown to the country's 45th Independence Day commemorations. His presence in Mnangagwa's political stronghold is viewed by insiders as a calculated show of power amid deepening ZANU-PF succession tensions. Muda, now a Minister of State for Midlands Provincial Affairs, is widely known for his anti-Chiwenga stance, and he is spearheading the so-called 2030 agenda, a political blueprint aimed at extending Mnangagwa's rule whilst aligning Chiwenga's presidential ambitions. Chiwenga inspected an Air Force parade upon arrival, a symbolic gesture that echoes his military roots and hints at the enduring support he enjoys within the sections of the security sector. The power struggle between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga has simmered for years, ever since the two men joined forces to oust the late Robert Mugabe. While Mnangagwa has hinted at retiring in 2028, his inner circle, led by figures like Muda, is publicly lobbying for a constitutional amendment to allow him to run for a third term. Chiwenga has been increasingly isolated in party structures, raising fears of a looming showdown that could shake the ruling party to its core. Tomash Konomuda Panapare Obatire Pamsoro after the visit yangaitiwa our Nukokunz as a countdown to our celebrations, our independence. Tuze mafunguro enyi matudipa msoro pe chitu kwenye comment section medu, so subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.